Mountain Crawler Raceway, and our subscribers are going to battle it out for the first place of this year's competition. In this cup, I've got the subscribers that have qualified for this competition. So let's take a draw and let's see who's in the running. It is quite a windy day today. What I'm going to do, take my subscribers, throw them up in the air and see who of you guys I'm going to catch. And those guys are going to run the race. Okay, are you ready, guys? Let's wait for the wind to die just a little bit. Otherwise, we're going to have all you guys flying all over the place. Okay, are you ready? The wind has died down. Let's throw these guys in the air and let's see who I can catch. Well, I only got one. Okay, this is Loki the feline. Let me put him back in my pocket. That didn't go well, did it? Let me collect all of you guys and do that again. Found another one here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I have got another 2 drivers. So in total we have 3. So the one I caught in the first run is Loki the feline. Then I've got Mike Mike Everbert, and Skyline's twin. So we've got 3 drivers battling it out on the Mountain Crawler Raceway. Let's go through the trail or the track quickly. The starting point is down here. We just hook a straight up through the first couple of obstacles, turning a slight right, got a steep drop, and then turning a sharp left into the V-notch, which is quite steep if you look at it from the side. Coming around for right turn and a steep left turn, going up the sandy bit and across the line. Let's get our first contestants in the truck. We're going to be using the TRX4 with a whole lot of upgrades on it. Driving with the Blazer body might be a bit challenging because the Blazer body is a little bit heavier than the original TRX4. The trail is not easy. There's a lot of loose rocks in there, so it gets hooked up, gets stuck. We've got a lot of wheel spin going on. Rocks are just sliding down. We have sandy bits, so we do not find a lot of traction, but the rig is literally upgraded for this task. So first runner up is Mike Verbergt. It's literally Verbergt with a T. Let's just call him Mike. Let's tie him onto the railing. All right. Whoa. Start your engines. Ready, steady, go. Off he goes. Yanking that front wheel into the first obstacle. We do not have penalties. We just have to get through the trail as fast as we can. There are no penalties for reversing, no penalties for rollovers, nothing like that in that sort. Just trying to get the truck through the trail as fast as possible and taking it as gentle and as easy as possible. Oh, there goes the body. Body's starting to come off. This is not a good sign. We have to do a couple of ups and downs here, still dragging that body with him. Oh, he's gonna flip. Oh, there goes the body. And here he goes without the body. Doing a couple of turns here. Oh, getting stuck on the rear axle. Pulling him around. Yes, he can make it. Okay. Straightening him out and across the line. Well done, Mike, without the body. So that first race already took it out of the servo of the TRX4. Guys, this is my very, very first servo, the original servo that came in the TRX4. Finally, after 3 years of on the trail making videos with this truck, it has died. That's quite a performance for an original TRX4 steering servo. Let's get another one put in and we'll hit the trail ASAP. We are up and running, changed the servo. Let's get the second competitor on the trail. It is Loki the feline. Let's get him on here. Start your engines. Okay, Loki. 1, 2, 3. Here goes the belt. Off he goes. Steady going over first obstacle. Easy going. There are no penalties. This servo just bailed out as well. What the heck? This is not working. Nah, this is no go. And we're back for the third time. The servo wasn't actually broken. It was the little servo horn which stripped. So original servo is back in the TRX4, 3 years and still running. So next up is Loki the feline. Start your engines. And 3, 2, 1, here goes the belt. And off he goes. Servo is working very well. Ooh, taking it easy through the first section there. Hoping not to drop a wheel. Taking it slow. Oh, has to back up once. Taking it slow is always the better choice. Ooh, he's running a little bit high. Can he make it without flipping? Yes, he can. Going in the ditch. Ooh. Just reversing it just a touch so that he doesn't actually land on his side. Bringing it through. Yes, slowly. Oop. Knocking it on that rear bumper. Trying to get around, and second run, and off he goes. Ooh, that really knocked the TRX4 quite hard. Okay, oh jeez. Let's put him back on his wheels. Oh, jump him back up. Get those magnets back on. There we go, and oop, get myself in position here, and off he goes. Slowly, easy does it. And gas it. Ooh, he is battling this. Oh no, not again. Hang on a second. Get those magnets back into position. And let's see, this time we can do it a little bit better. We're going to pass, reverse, pass the obstacle, and see if we can get it at a different angle this time. Slowly, easy does it. Oop, oop. Losing the grip there on the front tires. And off he goes. Yes, that was a better angle. Getting stuck with the right front tire under that obstacle. Backing it up just one more time and stuck on the back bumper. Oh, back to where he was before. This time crawling over it. Not getting that body stuck in the back corner. Okay, no, still stuck in the back corner. Gassing it a bit. Whoop, whoop. No, that's no good, Repo, and putting it back, and trying that again. Easy does it. There we go, crawling it. This is new, this is very new. There we go. Okay, keeping the right front tire on the actual trail instead of in the air. Backing it up one more time. Passing through. Will we get hooked up on the rock? Yes, he did. And across the line. Well done, Loki. And next runner-up is Skyline Twins. Start your engines. And 3, 2, 1. Here goes the bell. Ooh, ramming it into the first obstacle, bouncing that body off a little bit. Oh, that is no good. Repo on the first obstacle already. Get those magnets down and gripping, and slowly repoing myself, and off he goes. Very smoothly around the first obstacle. Ooh, hitting that back bumper quite hard. Let's see if we can swing past this. Let's see if we can find some grip on those tires. And yo, he made it. Slipped off a little bit to the side there, but didn't jam the truck in like last time. Oh my gosh, this is a hectic turn here. Come on, you can do this. And he just passes the front wheel. Ooh, does that as steady as goes. I can't believe he just did that. And he is across the line. No way, Skyline Twins. That was probably a record. Let's go check out the time. We are back in the shed. We have taken the times and let's see who made it up the Mountain Crawler Raceway the fastest. So I'll go from third to first place. In third place, we have Loki the Feline coming in at 2 minutes and 45 seconds. In second place, we have Mike Furberg T coming in at 1 minute and 7 seconds. And first place is Skyline's Twins coming in at 46 seconds. Now that's not a track record, but that is definitely a win, so well done. You can reach me either on Facebook or on Instagram. I'll put a link down in the description and you can collect your prize. Well done. So we are obviously going to keep this challenge and this competition rolling. We're going to collect some more money, put some cash aside, and we will have another giveaway, either Winch or Proline tires. So guys, that's it from me for this week. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this awesome race on the Mountain Crawler Raceway. See you next time. Cheers. Bye.